Kipper the Dog, Playtime, 2002 VHS. Here's the front, the spine, the other spine, the top, and the back. Episodes are The Treasure Hunt, Looking After All, Tiger Showbox, Pig Sweater, Playtime, The Magic Carpet, and Kipper the Hero. Here's the tape. Oops. This Kipper tape has a trailer for one. You can even all imagine that. So, and I can't continue. So. FBI warning. Original warning. Available from Hit Entertainment.
We're here with Bob the Builder talking about his latest video, Bob Saves the Day. Let's watch a clip.
Oh, no, I just can't look.
Don't be so modest, Bob. We hear there's lots of great action and fun. What's it like making a video like this?
Phew, this is hard work.
Yeah.
It certainly looks that way, Bob. Oh, I see that Spud has just arrived. Excuse me, Spud.
Hey, that's scary, Spud, to you.
Oh, of course, scary Spud. We hear you're really scary in this video.
I'm a scarecrow. I scare birds. It's my job.
Of course it is. Look, the machines are here, and just in time. Here's a question for Travis. What was it like to work with porcupines?
They're like a bunch of upside-down hairbrushes. Don't be silly, Travis. They're just porcupines.
Sounds like it's one sticky situation after another.
I think it's about time we called it a day.
I must say, it's been great fun talking with you and your friends about this video. And I know you've all got to rush back to work. But before you go, all the Bob the Builder fans would love to hear you say it. Just once.
Can we fix it? Yes, we can!
Bye, then.
Let's hear it for Bob the Builder and all his friends, starring in Bob Saves the Day. Now on VHS and DVD. From your friends at Hit Entertainment. Before our safari begins, we'd like to introduce you to our safari guide, Steve.
G'day. There's some amazing animals in the Australian bush. Some of them even sing and dance. We call them the Wiggles.
Where's the Wiggles? I'm Greg.
I'm Murray.
I'm Jeff.
And I'm Anthony.
Oh, wait there, Anthony!
G'day, Wiggles. Have a look at this little beauty.
As you can see, our safari guide knows all about Australian wildlife, especially those types known for their giggling, wiggling, singing, and dancing. It's wildlife that will make you laugh out loud. You never know what kind of creatures you'll see.
Mikey, that Captain Feathersword, he's a real beauty.
But one thing's for sure, everywhere we go, there's lots and lots and lots of wiggling.
Camels!
Camels, kangaroos, koalas, and more. The Australia bush is full of fun animals, and this wiggly safari is full of surprises. So be sure to watch for a wiggly dog named Wags and a dinosaur named Dorothy.
Right.
Wow. It's great.
Go ahead, jump right in. There's no danger here. Just plenty of singing, dancing, and laughing. This safari gets better and better every minute.
Absolutely gorgeous.
If everyone's ready, the safari is about to begin.
What a little beauty.
Wiggles and giggles with every mile.
Crikey, have a go at that.
It's raining on me.
Oh, wow, Anthony. If you think the rain is very real,
Yeah.
wait till you see the pretend tidal wave.
Take tidal wave.
Yeah. Wow.
Come on along. You're gonna love every minute. We promise you've never seen animals move quite like this before.
Woo! Don't you just love that Henry the Octopus?
What happens when the Wiggles team up with the Crocodile Hunter? Everyone goes on a wiggly safari. Join us for this adventure tour through the Australia Zoo with Steve Irwin, the Crocodile Hunter himself, his wife Terry, and everyone's favorite, the Wiggles. Look for the Crocodile Hunter and the Wiggles starring in Wiggly Safari. Now available on VHS and DVD from your friends at Hit Entertainment.
News from Hit Entertainment.
From farmers
We're on our way to Grandpa's farm.
to rock stars
Summer's all around the world. We're every boy and girls.
to astronauts. With a little imagination, you can be anything you want to be when you grow up.
Can we really be anything we want to be?
Uh-huh. Let's give it a
What's
try.
everything in May?
A. Artist.
B. Baker. C. Carpenter. D. Dancer. E. Engineer. F. Firefighter. G. Gardener. H. Home builder. I. Ice cream maker.
J. Jugger.
K. Kite maker. L. Librarian.
M. Musician.
N. Nurse. O. Office worker. P. Painter. Q. Quarterback. R. Race car driver. S. Sailor.
T. Tennis player.
U. Umpire. V. Veterinarian. W. Waiter. X. X-ray technician. Y. Yo-yo maker. Z. Zookeeper.
Look for
What?
Barney's
Oh.
You Can Be Anything. Now on home video from Hit Entertainment. Friends come in all shapes and sizes,
Hello, Angelina.
and they always seem to be full of surprises. Sometimes they're small,
Most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
sometimes they're tall.
May I have the honor of this dance?
Yes, a good friend will say the kindest of things.
Just look at those wonderful wings.
Even when we have the wrong attitude, the best of friends will never be rude. So take it from this little ballerina, whose name just happens to be Angelina.
This is for you.
A gift from a friend is the
Friends are
very best
everything
kind.
as
It's not my
well.
birthday. Best friends can give each other presents anytime.
And a friendship is something that no one can sever. Because a friend is a friend, forever and ever. Look for Angelina Ballerina, starring in Friends Forever, on home video on VHS and DVD. From Hit Entertainment.
Kipper the dog.
They call him Kipper. Kipper the dog. The dog with the slipper. That's Kipper. Kipper the dog. By the way, that's a toad, not a frog. Now he can do this. Do you think that you could? And he can do that, which is more than any old cat could. Would you like a dog, like a dog, like a dog, like
The
a
church
dog,
founded by
like
day, the
Kipper?
big old fighting
That's Kipper the